It's your girl Sparkle and Shine coming back to you today with another video. I'd like to say welcome, welcome, welcome to all of my returning viewers and subscribers. If you have not subscribed to the channel and you find that you are enjoying my content, please hit the subscription button, the notification bell, and give me a big thumbs up to let me know you enjoyed the video, and leave me a comment. Let's chat it up. Let me know what you think. So, I wanted to get right into this video. This is an unboxing of a brand that is new to me, not new to everyone, but new to me. And I figured I unbox this handbag with you all so that you could tell me what you think about it as well. So without further ado, let's get right into this. Now this brand, I came across this brand on QVC, and I went to the website and viewed the handbag for myself. Now here is the handbag. Came in this box like this, wrapped in this paper. And I'm going to take the box down, put it right there, put this in frame. And I'm going to take this paper off because sometimes the paper is annoying when you're unwrapping the bag. So I'm going to take the paper off and we're going to reveal this bag. One moment. So here it is. This is a handbag by the designer Aimee Kestenberg. And I'm going to put this up so that you can see. And it is in black suede. And it is called the Amour satchel. Amour, A-M-O-U-R satchel. So it's in suede. As many of you know by now, I am a fan of suede. Ooh, look at this beautiful Aimee Kestenberg handbag in suede. Oh my goodness. This is absolutely gorgeous. The studs on here are gold. That's what attracted me to the bag, the gold studs. And I just wanted to see it for myself up close. I am so glad that I got this bag. I got it at a very, very good price. I think I paid $2.30 for it, and got a discount code for that, so that brought it down even cheaper. So let me just take this off because I know that I'm going to keep this bag. It is beautiful. This is from Aimee Kestenberg. So here's the leather strap, the leather shoulder strap. Now this shoulder strap is not adjustable, so you can either take it off. It is removable, detachable, as you can see, but it is not adjustable. And look at the studs. There's studs even right there on the sides, and the studs are gold. And it's like a shiny gold, but not too, like a brass gold. But it is shiny. It doesn't look shiny on camera, but it is shiny. And there's gold studs on this side. And then in the back, it has a slip pocket that snaps closed. So there's the slip pocket. that would easily fit my phone or a tablet or something. You want to put a small tablet back there. It fits that. And then the front pocket flips up like this. And it's, as you can see, the snap closure. And it's pretty substantial as well. So that's the front pocket. So it has two outside pockets. Oh, the suede is so beautiful. Has two, and look at the studs on top of the where the zipper is. There's studs there as well. And then it has this main compartment. Comes with this dust bag. Aimee. And let's see if I have, let me just take the stuffing out of her. Oh my goodness, look at this. It's so substantial. Let me see if I can do some measurements to see how long this bag is. So it's 13.5 inches in length, and it is 4 inches in width, and let's see, from the zipper to the bottom is 9 inches. So that's the measurements on this beautiful bag. This bag is gorgeous, and I like that it's not real heavy, but the suede is just beautiful. And I like it. I like that it has a light interior. There's that inside zipper pocket. The material, the lining in the inside is made out of like a jacquard type material. And then you have two slip pockets on the opposite side. So you have the zip pocket there, and then the two slip pockets right here. Beautiful, 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 beautiful bag. They also had this bag in like a honey color. So if you missed out on any of the Dooney and Burke suede, honey, or amber suede bags, and you would like to get one, but this one is, the sales at Dooney and Burke were just phenomenal. But this one is available in honey, and look, there are studs on the bottom and feet on the bottom, and then this leather strip on the bottom as well. So I am overall very satisfied with this purchase. I know that I will be moving into her fairly soon. And I also wanted to show you some pieces that I have in my collection that already go with this bag. So I do not need to buy any black wallets or any pieces like that, because I do have this Coach wallet right here that will go with this beautiful bag. It's in the smooth leather. So I'll just put that right there. Then I also have this. I had this in my previous video in my Rowan with the studs. Look how perfectly that matches. That is going to be so sharp. And then I have my Coach Nolita 19 with the studs that I haven't carried this yet. That will look so sharp with that, you know, to be a catch-all or what have you. Look how, ooh, that's what I had in mind when I purchased this Aimee Kestenberg bag. So look how sharp that is. And then I just have my makeup pouch, my makeup case. that will go with that. And then I have this little card case with studs on it. Look at how pretty that is. That is going to be so sharp. I'm going to be in my stud era, my rock star era. This is so sharp. Now let me see how well all these items fit in here. So I'm going to put the Nolita in here. I'm going to put the my makeup case in there. I'm going to put my wallet. I'm going to put this little card case. And I'm going to put this catch-all case pouch. Put that in there. And then I'm going to show you how everything fits. So, this is everything. Here's the Nolita. Here's the wallet. Here is the catch-all right here in the corner. And then here's the little card case in the corner. So I'm just going to zip this up. Oh, that is so nice. Isn't that nice? I'm going to feel so sharp and so chic when I wear that bag. Also, one moment, I want to show you this too. So I have my Michael Kors leather gloves, driving gloves with the studs on them. And the studs on these gloves, look at this. I didn't like when Michael Kors, he just put Michael Kors on that corner and nothing on this one. But I love these gloves for driving, and it just grips the steering wheel really well. So look at that, how nice that looks too. Oh, I am going to be so sharp. I'm going to feel like I am so well put together and so sharp. So I just wanted to come on and show you guys this, hop on real quick and show you that. This beautiful Aimee Kestenberg bag that I picked up from actually the website. So I wanted to show you that. Also, just very quickly, I wanted to show everyone what I picked up from the Coach Outlet latest drop. So if you want to see that, stay tuned. So here are some items that I received from the Coach Outlet drop in the cherry collection. And these items are black. So this is one. This is just a pouch, the cherry pouch. And what I love about these, I just want to make it clear to everybody. What I love about these items is that the cherries have they have sparkles in them. So look at this. This is a card case. Let me see if I turn it this way. But it has sparkles in there. But the sparkles, you can't see them all that clearly. But I love it. So all my stuff finally got here. So I just wanted to show everybody this. And the next piece that I received from the Coach Outlet is this piece. Now I got this piece to go with my Rowan in the color oat. So that's that. Let's see what this piece is. Oh, here's the other piece, my wallet, it's in the color oat that matches my Rowan. And then here are my other pieces in I believe this is in the cherry, from the cherry collection. The black leather cherry collection. Yes. Look how pretty. Now, how could I resist? With these sequins on here? Oh my goodness. And I have a bag that I want to show you all that I'm going to wear this with. But I could wear this with my black Coach Rowan or this other bag I'm going to show you. Not on this video though. So yeah, that's my Nolita 19 that I picked up. And I'm so glad that I have this Nolita in my collection. I love, so as I was saying, I don't know why the video just cut off, but the only thing that has sequins is the Nolita 19. But here's the notebook that I picked up. Oh, I'm so happy to get my hands on this notebook. And I love it. It has the smooth leather. Oh, this is so nice. So I got my notebook. Oh, and it feels so nice and soft and good in your hands. And then, last but not least, I have the pencil case. So these are all my items that I picked up from the Coach Cherry collection, the latest drop in the color black. And this is all of it. This, and this. So I hope you enjoyed this video. And look, this will go with this as well. If I wanted to add the if I wanted to utilize the cherries collection with this handbag, I would be perfectly fine to do so. So I wanted to just come on and unbox the newest addition to my collection, the Aimee Kestenberg suede bag, and it's called the Amour bag, and also show you what I picked up from the latest Coach Outlet drop. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell, and remember, never let anyone take away your sparkle or dull your shine. See you in the next one. Take care.